Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube series. Today we're going to do some fun and easy warm-ups that draw from patterns found in jazz and pop music. Let's start with some work on a half-step pattern. We'll ascend, then we'll descend. It will sound like this. Now I'm using some kind of scat-style syllables where it's not really a word, so don't worry if you're like, what sound did she just make? It's kind of vidi, but those are word sounds. So we want more like instrumental sounds, like here we go. To an exercise now. It's a 3-note exercise, and that third note will toggle back and forth between being a minor third and a major third. We'll swing it and we'll sing do-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Here we go. Let's move to a swingy. Never, 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 never know. Here we go. Never, 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 never know. 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 Swinging into this next exercise, we will sing on do-va-doo, and it sounds like this. Your turn. Do on to a blues scale, which sounds like this. We'll sing it a little bit slower on the following pattern. Doofy, 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 doo. 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 This next exercise is based on a major scale. We will sing doobie, 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 doobie. Here we go. Doobie, 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 doobie. Doobie, 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 doobie. Finally, let's outline a dominant seventh chord. We will sing on Z A E A like this. Z A E A, Z A E A E A E. Try it with me once. Z A E A E. Here we go. Z A E A E. 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 Nice job! Thanks so much for singing with me today. Keep at it, and we'll see you next time.